Your Mac hides more files than you realize. Not just system folders, but also app data, cache files, and even some of your own folders that macOS keeps tucked away. Maybe you saved something, and now it's just gone. Or you're trying to free up space but can't see where the big files are hiding. No worries. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to view all hidden files and folders on your Mac. Step by step, with Finder, with the Go menu, and with one quick terminal command. Alright, let's get started. Open Finder. You'll find it right in your dock, that blue and white smiley face icon. Now, open any folder. You can use your documents, downloads, or even the desktop. Anywhere works. Here comes the shortcut that does all the magic. Press Command plus Shift plus period. That's Command, Shift, and the dot key. Watch what happens. Suddenly, new files appear, kind of grayed out or transparent. Those are your hidden files. You might see names like .ds_store or .localized. Those are normal. macOS hides them to keep your folders looking tidy. Press Command plus Shift plus period again, and poof. Everything disappears back to normal. That's your quick toggle for hidden files. Now let's take it a little deeper. Open Finder again, and click the Go menu at the top of your screen. Hold down the Option key, and you'll notice a new folder appear in the list called Library. Click that. This is your hidden library folder. It's where macOS stores app preferences, support files, and caches. If you're troubleshooting an app, backing up settings, or trying to clean leftover files, this is where they live. You can explore safely, just avoid deleting things unless you're sure what they do. Now let's say you want hidden files to always be visible. There's a simple way to make that happen using Terminal. Open Terminal. Once it opens, type this command exactly. Defaults write com.apple. Finder apple show. All files true press return. Then type this next command. Kill all Finder. Press return again. Finder will restart for a moment. Now every hidden file is permanently visible. If you ever want to hide them again, just repeat the command. But change true to false. And Finder goes right back to normal. This trick also works on external drives or SD cards. Sometimes apps like Photoshop, Final Cut, or Logic Pro store hidden render, or cache folders there. Now you'll be able to see them all. Again, a quick word of caution. Don't delete files unless you know what they're for. Some hidden items are essential for macOS and your apps to run smoothly. Alright, let's do a quick recap. Command plus Shift plus period toggles hidden files on and off in Finder. Go, Option, Library, lets you access your hidden library folder. And Terminal gives you full-time visibility when you need it. Now you can uncover lost files, clean up storage, and explore what's really on your Mac. If this helped, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want more quick Mac tips like this, and tell me in the comments, what's the most surprising thing you found hiding on your Mac? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.